Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D CAD design in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take here 2D sketch, select the XY plane, take the circle command, make one circle at center point of diameter 70, enter. Okay. Make one more circle here of diameter 40. Go to dimension. Define the center to center distance here as 90 mm. Go to horizontal constraint. Select this center point, select this center point. Now finish sketch and take here extrude. Select both the circles. Take here symmetric extrude and take a distance of 100 mm. Press OK. Now here go to plane and take offset from plane. Select this front face, take offset of -10 mm and press OK. Now select this new plane, go to create sketch. Now go to line command and make a joining profile. We'll start from the center. Make a straight line and select here. Similarly, from this point, make a straight line and join here. Escape. Go to dimension. Define this as 50 mm. Define this also as 50 mm. Go to tangent constraint. Select this line, select this line and select this. Okay. Now here escape. Now what else is left? Okay, it is a moving form. Go to horizontal constraint, select this point and select here the center point. Okay, now escape. Go to coincident, select this point, select this and escape now. Now this is have become a joining profile. Go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Now you can see this is an open profile till now. Go to sketch, take line command, make it a closed profile by joining these two lines and join these two lines. Finish sketch, extrude, select the profile, flip the direction and this time we will take join. Okay, and go to profile. When I rotate this, you can see here it has taken the inner profile and its outer. So select this also. Okay. Home. And here we'll give a distance of 15 mm. Go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges and press OK. Okay. So this will be the profile. Select this, right click, turn off the visibility. Now go to part 1. Here you can see this profile we have constructed. Part 6. Okay. Now rotate this. Now I want a front profile. Go to part 1. I want this front profile. Go to part 6. Select this face. Go to create sketch. Here go to the 2-point rectangle. And here I'll make a rectangle profile. Go to dimension. From center, I'll take a distance of 40 mm. Okay, change it to 40. And the straight distance will be 20 mm. Okay, and the width of 15 mm. Go to horizontal constraint, select the center, and here select the green point, the center point. So this is aligned. Finish sketch. Go to 3D model, take extrude, flip the direction. Here click on join. And here I'll give a distance of 25 mm. Okay. And press OK. So this will become a profile. Okay. Now I've constructed half of the profile. So I'll make the mirror profile of this. Go to mirror, select extrude 2, extrude 3, go to mirror plane, origin, and here I'll select the XY plane and press OK. So the same profile will be generated other side as well. Now select XY plane, go to create sketch. Now I'm going to make the cut profiles. Go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Here go to sketch, take rectangle command, take 2-point rectangle. Make one rectangle here, make other rectangle here. Okay. Go to dimension. Here define this as 45. The distance from center will be 12. Height here of 80 mm. Okay. Similarly here, define this straight as 90 and scale. I'll drag this down and drag this inside. Go to dimension, define the distance from here as 8 mm and define this distance also as 8 mm. Okay. Now here go to horizontal constraint, select the center and I'll click on this green point, the center point. Okay, this is already at center. Select this and select this. So this is aligned. Now escape. Now here we have a movement here. Okay. So to constrain this movement, select this coincident, select this and select this and scale. Okay. Finish sketch, take extrude, select this profile, here take symmetric and take here extrude of 50 mm. Go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. Here you can see the middle profile, but I want a cutout profile, so I'll click on cut and press OK. So this profile will be like this. Okay. Now here go to part 1. I want this profile also. Go to part 6. For this, select this face, go to create sketch, go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Here go to sketch and here take rectangle command, take 2-point rectangle and make a rectangle profile. Go to dimension. From top, this will be at 8 mm and this will be 10 mm. Go to vertical constraint, select this point, select this point, select this and select this. Finish sketch, go to 3D model, take extrude and here I'll take 2 next. So it will extrude up to other face and press OK. Okay, rotate it, go to view, visual style, shaded with edges. You can see the joining profile. Go to home. Now select this face again, go to create sketch, take circle command and at center the green point, make a dia 20 mm. Finish sketch, 3D model, extrude, flip the direction and take distance 8 mm and click here join. Press OK. Okay, so this will be the profile. Select this face again, go to create sketch. Now I want to make a cutout hole. Go to circle and here on same center make a dia 12 mm. Finish sketch, extrude, flip the direction to cut and press OK. Okay, rotate. Now here select this face, go to create sketch. Here we are going to take 2 holes. Select circle command, make 1 hole of dia 40 and on this from center make dia 20. Okay, and scale. Now here go to 3D model, take extrude, select both the profiles, flip the direction to direction 2. So it will change to cut and here take distance as all. So this will be a through cut and press OK. Okay, I can see the profile. Now here, go to fillet, take a fillet radius of 3 mm, go to edge selection, select this edge, this, okay, select this edge, and here rotate the profile. Similarly, select it, this corner, this corner, this inner corner, okay, and here select this top, okay, and I rotate it. You can see the profiles, and select this corner, press OK, go to home, okay. Now here I'll rotate it one more time, select this face, go to create sketch, here go to circle command, pick one circle here of diameter 10 and make one more circle here of diameter 10. Horizontal constraint, select this center, select this center, select this center, and select this center, so they will be aligned with this center point. Go to vertical constraint, select this yellow point, select this yellow, so it is vertically constrained about this center. Similarly here, select this yellow and select this. Finish sketch, take extrude, select both the profiles, take here cut, and here take a depth of 32, okay. Go to front view, you can see the cut is coming in till inside, and press OK. Go to home, so this will appear here, okay. Now here, go to part 1, okay. So we are left with the fillets here, this portion and this portion, so we'll provide the fillet, and here also. Go to part 6, double click fillet 1, here, select here, rotate, select here, and here also. Similarly, select here, okay, and press OK. Go to home, rotate. Now here, go to chamfer, and here we will take chamfer of 1.5 mm. Select this profile, rotate, select this profile, and select this profile. Press OK. Go to home. Here I'll give the appearance. I'll take steel polished, so I'll type the steel. This is steel polish, press enter. And for these cutouts, select this chamfer and select the extrude and select this extrude. Here give the appearance to light red, okay. So I'll type LI, so I'll find the light red, okay. Go to part 1, select this face also, select this face, rotate, select this outer, and select this outer. This also will give light red, okay. So this is the light red color, okay. I hope we have completed all the profiles, okay. The chamfer is left here, fillet 1 here, and here, okay. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D part in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you liked the video. If you do that, please do it like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.